Imagine walking into a bank with $100 in your pocket. You leave, and somehow that same $100 has multiplied, but not in your wallet. Inside the system, your money has spawned more money, invisible to everyone. You didn't get a receipt. Nobody asked. Most people never even notice. Everyday people go about their lives unaware of the hidden flow of money above their heads. This isn't magic, it's banking, and it's exactly how modern money is created. Inside the vaults, money is no longer just paper, it becomes energy, floating and multiplying digitally. Governments borrow endlessly, debt grows faster than the economy, and your savings often feel small. Even paying rent, loans, or groceries, your money is quietly moving through a massive network. All of this is powered by the banking system, a machine connecting homes, cars, and cities in one flow. Most explanations get boring. Fractional reserve, monetary base, central banks. But let's see it simply. We can turn complex jargon into something human, something you can actually see and feel. You deposit $100 at the bank, expecting it to sit safely in a vault. But that $100 doesn't just sit there. It transforms into a tool, ready to multiply. The bank lends out $90 to someone else, digitally, instantly, legally. That borrower spends it in the store, leaving a trail of new money behind them. And that money lands in another bank, repeating the cycle. Ripple by ripple, your original $100 grows into $900 or more in the system. This is fractional reserve banking in action, invisible but real. Think of it like clones, not of people, but of IOUs, digital numbers only existing on screens. The system is like a futuristic machine, producing credit instead of cash. Ledgers fill with glowing numbers, tracking every digital IOU across the network. Central banks tower over it all, controlling the flow and power of money. They adjust interest rates, silently pulling strings that affect everyone. Inside boardrooms, policies are set, decisions made, quietly shaping the economy. Liquidity expands like an invisible balloon, money inflating through the system. For you, prices slowly rise. Your wallet feels smaller, even though numbers keep growing. Grocery bills, everyday costs, they creep up, often unnoticed. In 2020, trillions were added to the system, almost invisibly. Money flowed from the Federal Reserve into banks and out into the economy. Profits rise, sometimes from money that didn't exist yesterday. Loans are approved, credit created, digitally and instantly, all legal. Profits rise sharply, while risks remain hidden in the background. Regulators watch, but rarely intervene in the mechanics of money creation. The debt engine grows, connecting homes, businesses, and entire economies. Even when banks appear safe, behind the scenes, a complex, risky network hums invisibly. Economic growth looks like skyscrapers rising, fueled by invisible credit streams. Across the globe, financial networks interconnect countries, fragile yet massive. Even buying a cup of coffee contributes to this enormous invisible system. Next time you check your bank account, remember, your money isn't just yours. It's part of a vast, invisible engine cloning, stretching, and redistributing it without asking.